In a sunlit Istanbul bazaar, a curious traveler follows sizzling pans and fragrant steam toward an unseen kitchen. They document a grandmother shaping pastry with care, while a street drummer provides a rhythmic heartbeat to the scene. A vendor explains how sourdough, olive oil, and dried peppers bloom into flavors that echo decades of neighborhood memory. The video reveals each step as a tiny revelation from flame to plate and invites viewers to taste with imaginings. By dusk, the market hum quiets, yet the camera lingers on a shared smile, a promise of many more bites.